going on, you guys? So next up is NIO, or ticker symbol NIO. I'm starting from the daily interval. This allows us to find our overall direction and picture that our stock is in. It helps us find our support and resistance lines and all that good stuff. Okay, so I'm going to discuss the support and resistance lines really quick for our new viewers, and then we'll go ahead and dive into where we're at. Okay, so this top line over here represents our major resistance line. You can see we got rejected over here, and over here. You can see when we broke above that, we started bouncing off of this level at the $56 level until we came underneath, tried to create a breakout, and ultimately pushed us all the way back down to our major support level right down here. We look left, we had resistance on the opposite side, and if we look to where we're at right now, we're actually underneath this support line. So if we would have stayed above this, that would have been perfect. But if we go down to the 1 hour chart, you can see that we actually clearly broke below that and we're trying to create a breakout. So what that is, what a breakout is that it's trying to break out of this resistance area and create a reversal and create an upward trend. Okay, we're not there yet. We can see that we're clearly below the trend line. On the RSI, we are oversold, way oversold, and our volume is at 343, which I'm sure that'll pick up by the market opening, but 353 is not bad for volume, you guys. Anything below 150,000 you want to stay away from. Okay, so what we're looking for, and then I'll give you my 2 ideal entries, okay, like I usually do. Since we are below the support line and now is working as resistance at the 3166, actually at the pre-market it says that we're at 3188. So in a way we're kind of above this support line. So if you guys were to get in, this could be an ideal entry. Have your stop loss maybe below the $30 level. That way if we do break back below this, we can get tagged out and wait for a better entry. You don't want to be in a stock where if it continues a downward trend and then you're just bag holding. That's never fun for nobody, you guys. Also, I just want to say, please forgive me for the lighting. I'm getting a whole bunch of new equipment coming in. It's just they're taking forever to ship my stuff. So just bear with me for the bad quality, of course. All right, so yeah, so technically, since we are above this at the pre-market, only by a couple pennies, you guys, keep that in mind. We're not heavily broke above this support or resistance, but we definitely did break above it. So you could get in, just have a tight stop loss at the 3063 or maybe the 3067, you guys. That could be a good ideal entry. Other than that, I don't really see any other entries. If we do break below that, obviously you would get tagged out, and then we can wait for a better entry after that. Let me go down to the daily. So if we do get rejected, our next level of support, you guys, give me 1 second to find this. Let me see. It's probably be around the $20 level, you guys. I want to say, yeah, this is the more heavily tested area. Is at the 2076. So like I said, you want to be able to get tagged out if we do break below that, because we have another long drop if we decide to continue this downward trend. Do I believe that we'll continue this downward trend? Not really, but is it possible? Most definitely. So we always like to keep that in mind. Okay, this video is a little bit longer today, so if you appreciate that, please hit the like and subscribe button. It allows me to create this content for you guys Monday through Friday. But other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.